If you can't feel your arms working, you're wasting every single rep. These are the 4 reasons you're wasting reps. Reason number 1, you have very bad form. Your form's all over the place, and you can't control the weight you have. You have to be able to control. For these types of workouts, you won't really need good form because you're already going to be like this on the pad. You just need to slowly go up, get that stretch on the bottom, and that's it. I lowered the weight. I'm doing 25 now. Also, another thing is, y'all don't know when to lower the weight. You gotta lower it whenever you can't do it no more. You can't just go past. That's not part of the 4 reasons, but just wanted to point that out. Reason number 2 is you stay with the same exercise. You do not change it up at all. And you just keep going with the same exercise. Biceps, you do the same thing. Triceps, you do the same thing. You know, you gotta change it up. Sometimes do something like this. Sometimes do, some spider curls. Just keep going and change it up. Second set, we're gonna increase the weight a little bit. That's kind of heavy. Was not expecting that. Reason number 3 is you don't get the stretch way on the bottom. On every exercise, the stretch is the most important part. Way down here. Stretch it and then go back up. This actually increases the speed at which you gain muscle. Scientifically proven, I believe. A lot of people actually ego lift, which is why they don't actually go for that stretch on the very bottom. It's the most important part. Reason number 4 is you don't go to failure. A lot of people I've worked out with or I've seen work out have not gone to failure their whole workout. You have to go to failure. Doesn't matter which muscle group you're doing, failure is the best option, always. Failure is always the best. Bro, that burned. This is actually one of the best workouts I've ever came up with. Welcome to the posing room. My forearms are pumped just from that one workout. Look at that. Looks like I'm gaining some weight though, but the arms look as ripped as ever. The forearm. The triceps are bigger though. Probably from those 40 or 35 diamond push-ups. Okay, let's pose. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. And see you guys tomorrow. Peace.